Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Schroders Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. Schroders Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and comparing various wealth management services offered by Schroders. Its main purpose is to help potential clients understand Schroders offerings and decide which best suits their needs. The target audience is high net worth individuals or those seeking professional wealth management solutions. Key features likely include comparison tools, performance data, and information on different investment strategies. Their website provides details on specific services and account options. Schroders' website highlights their comprehensive range of investment options, tailored strategies based on individual risk profiles, and access to experienced financial advisors. They emphasize their long history and reputation for strong performance. Pricing is likely to vary significantly based on the chosen investment strategy and account size, but information on fees is provided transparently on their website. Availability is global, with specific services offered depending on the region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Schroders Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was fairly straightforward. After navigating to their website, I found the layout intuitive and well-organized. I spent some time exploring the different investment options, which were clearly explained with helpful terminology. The performance data presented was detailed and easy to understand, allowing me to compare various strategies. I particularly appreciated the interactive charts and graphs that visualized long-term performance trends. The search and filter functions made it easy to narrow down the options based on my risk tolerance and financial goals. I had a quick question about a specific fund, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, making it less convenient to access information on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Schroders Wealth Management Review platform. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to understand Schroders offerings before committing to their services. The standout feature for me was definitely the clarity and detail provided in the performance data. That's my overview of Schroders Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.